I'm going to show you guys three of my favorite features of my custom meal planning program for people who are looking for a quick, simple way to plan some meals, get the groceries they need, and make some wonderful meals that meet their nutrition requirements. My name is Mindy. I'm a registered dietitian and founder of Well My Way Nutrition. You can get more information at wellmyway.com. Okay, so let's jump in. What you're looking at here is how the meal plan looks from a user perspective. So we are looking at it from the perspective of Marge, who is my test client. She is planning her breakfast and dinners because it is overwhelming to plan every single meal for every single day. We're going to leave snack and lunch off. She has told me she can handle lunch. She'll bring, a turkey sandwich or leftover salad every single day, and she is okay with that. So we're going to focus on her breakfast and lunch and getting some of those planned for the next few days. What you see here are the meals that I have already recommended to her. Starting Wednesday, January 18th is the day we're going to start planning for. So she is going to look these over and say, okay, what looks good? What do I want to swap out? One thing I like about this program for people who want easy meal prep, or maybe you're new to meal planning and prep and you just want things as simple as possible, is the batch cooking feature. So with batch cooking, you're going to cook once and you're going to eat multiple times. So you might have a dinner that you prepare tonight that you eat the leftovers for tomorrow at dinner and maybe the next day at lunch too. I'll show you what that looks like. So let's say she's going to batch cook this spiced chicken with potato for a couple of days instead of having these other meals. She wants to make that one. So I'm going to click the three dot ellipses and I'm going to hit batch cook. Now she can also plan for her husband or her kids or somebody else, a roommate, to also eat that meal. And that'll just make sure that we plan for enough servings. So that's where you see who else is eating with this meal. Let's just keep this one for Marge. She's going to have this meal 3 days in a row. I'm going to save that. It's going to replace anything that might already be there. That's okay. So now I have spiced chicken with potato with leftovers for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So then when I go to get the groceries and I click and add that to my cart, I'm going to get plenty of groceries to make that for those 3 days. So the batch cooking feature is really nice. She might do the same thing with breakfast. I'm going to swap this one out for some other smart choice. And a smart choice is something that fits your nutrition prescription. Oh, ooh, I love overnight oats, but let's see what else there is. I might go with that one though, because I really like oats. I'm going to say, yeah, let's go with the blueberry pecan overnight oats. I can click on it, see what the ingredients are, see the instructions, all the nutrition information as well. I'm going to go ahead and select that recipe. And then I do want to batch cook it. I'm going to do this one probably for 4 days. Like I want my breakfast quick in the morning. I can grab and take with me, warm up really quick. So let's do that one for 4 days. And go ahead and clear out those other meals that are planned. So now how simple does the meal plan look? Now for 3 days, I'm only cooking twice. I'm going to make those overnight oats, which really aren't cooking. They're just putting things in a jar. And the spiced chicken with potato that covers all of those days. And then maybe I do want to make this, or another great feature for people who are looking to simplify meal planning is that you can swap for a restaurant meal. So maybe you're trying to dine out less, but when you need to, you want to know that there's some healthier options that fit your goals. So we're going to look in the area and you can put your zip code in to find your area. Let's look around here and see what we've got. I'm going to pull up quite a few options. It is a lot of chain restaurants. You're not going to find your local places, but we can find something. I'm going to go with, I'm thinking Chick-fil-A. Yeah. So the smart choices will be the green options at the top. Those are going to be the most fit to your specific nutrition prescription. The grilled chicken sandwich is amazing. I love their fruit because it actually has fresh fruit in it. It's got like apples and strawberries and blueberries. It's wonderful. I'm going to pick that, add that. And now I'll just have kind of a placeholder for that particular day. That I'll know, okay, I'm not making something or planning for leftovers, but I'm going to go there and get that meal. So it just helps you wrap your mind around what you've got to get, what you need to make for the week, helps you with some prep tips as you go. Occasionally get messages like, hey, go ahead and chop that bell pepper for dinner tomorrow night. So you can stay on top of your meal prep. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you one more feature that I love, and that is if you like the fact that you can send your groceries for delivery, you can use that in here too. So let's say I want to plan for the overnight oats and I need the ingredients for this. And maybe I'll go through and go ahead and get the ingredients for this breakfast and this dinner as well. As I click add to list, it goes into my grocery basket at the top here. And then I have a list all prepared for me. I can go through and check off anything I already have. I can even look at that particular one and say, okay, what did I need a half dozen eggs for? Okay, that's going to be for those turkey bacon egg McMuffins. All right, cool. What did I need feta for? Because I don't really like feta. I might just take that out and use some other cheese I have on hand. Fine, totally cool. I've already got that. I've already got that. So you just go through, check off a list like you would sitting, in your kitchen with a piece of paper. You can then take your list, print it, email it, maybe to you or somebody else who's doing the shopping, or you can go ahead and send your list straight to Instacart or Walmart for grocery pickup or delivery. And then you're just going through that process like you normally would. It's going to pull all those ingredients into Instacart. Just double check the quantities on there. You can swap brands if it picks up a certain brand and you want a different brand, just swap that out and you're good to go. All right. If you have any questions about this custom meal planning program, please send me an email, info@wellmyway.com. You can also find us on Instagram. It's at Be Well My Way, or Facebook is just Well My Way. Love to hear from you. If you've tried the program and you love it, I want to hear what you're enjoying. If you'd like to see any other features, please let me know.